Hey guys, it's Emily, the Relentless Dreamer. I'm back again with a lens haul and a makeup look because TTDEye sent me out this little surprise package with some lenses to try out for you guys, and I wanted to make things a little bit different, and I'm doing a makeup look with them today because I thought, why not? This is fun. So after unpackaging my lenses, I'm soaking them in saline solution so they are all nice and safe for my eyes. So on to makeup. I am messy, I do apologise, but also not really, it's just how it is. Protecting my skin with a moisturising SPF. It's very hot down here in Australia at the moment and I'm out in the sun all the time, so wanting that protection. Primer, also good in the heat because I'm sweating everything off with the freaking degrees that it is at the moment. Concealer is important for me, so I'm covering up all my spots and my dark circles and I'm patting it into my skin with my finger because I just find that works best for me, and then going over it of course with foundation, which I've mixed in an attempt to get my colour, but that's just an ongoing difficulty for me, so this is my best effort, I apologise. Also just setting that with some pressed powder which adds a little bit more colour, so still not really my shade, but we're trying, we're having a good time, we're doing it. And contouring it so we can have some shape and not just look like a white ghost. Blush is fun, so we're doing that. A bit more life into the cheeks, into the face after that ghostly whiteness that I decided to put down. And of course highlight, which is extraordinarily important. Don't want to forget that. That's just going on all the normal highlight zones. I just use a dark eyeshadow to fill in my brows, which are just naturally dark, and then kind of put them into place with this brow gel, which saves my life. I'm just putting a bit of a shimmery highlighting shade on the top of my brow bone and then going in with a brown. I guess I find this important, this step, just I kind of figure out my eye shape with my eyeshadow that I want to do first before going in with colour. And then I am going over the top of that, I think we'll get there shortly, with a lavendery colour just in the centre of the eyeball. So we're going for a little purpley look, and we'll add some green in there a bit later. I just find sometimes with these colours, just using my finger to apply it just works best to really pack on that colour. So I wanted that on the lid and then beneath the lid, and then I'm going in with some dark purple, which didn't really look dark purple in the end, but you know what, I liked the look, so we got to a place. I'm just making it up as I go along. Blending is key, I have learnt eventually. Here we are adding some dark green to the bottom lash line, kind of drawing it out into that winged look, and yeah, I created a mess while doing this, so good job me. Putting a little bit more of a highlighting shade in that inner corner and brow bone to make it pop, because what more could you want? I think we're going to eyeliner. Look at that. I have been really enjoying a big liner style lately, so I don't even know what my technique is, but you can kind of see in the video, I guess. I flick it out and then bring it back in, I don't know. Yeah, I'm liking my long wings, but not necessarily too thick, if that makes sense. I always try to avoid the crease when I do my liner, and I like to bring it down in the middle as well. Curling lashes because fancy. And then of course going in with some mascara. Hey, look at me, I got some new mascara. This is waterproof as always. Prepared for every turn of events. Upper and lower lash lines, and I'm lining my lips with some colour. The only lip liner that I have, paired with the only lipstick that I have. Actually, no, I think I have 2 lipsticks now. Anyway, I don't know why, this is probably too much footage of me lining my lips, but I found it really satisfying, so enjoy. Yeah, lipstick, that's the thing. Look at me go. I like how this look turned out. It was very much just made up as I went along, but you know what, that's fine. Finally, lenses. So this first set of lenses is called Sparkler Purple. I think they are really, really cute. They turned out, oh, look at them, look how cute they are. The little sparkles really stand out and they look adorable and I love them. So Sparkler Purple, they match my makeup perfectly, which just worked out really well. I was happy with that turn of events. Next lenses are from their kind of constellation collection. They are Virgo. They're also cute and purple and lavendery, so they match my makeup as well. I initially didn't know how I felt about this series of lenses. I guess because they're not so much a natural looking lens, but they're actually really cute, and I'm really glad that they sent them out to me because I've changed my mind. I think these are adorable. I love them, and they're super comfy, and just look at those colours. I love it. Third and final lens, we have Sparkler Red. Where would we be without a red lens? Again, a cute version of a red vampire lens, I guess. Always loving the red, but I think actually the Virgo are my favourite lenses of these 3 lenses today. I just unexpectedly really enjoyed them. And hey, look, here's me being a goof. Just a reminder, Black Friday, they've got TTDEye have a massive sale up at the moment. They've got, I think, 50% or more off at the moment. Buy 5 lenses, get 5 free. I've got all the links in my description. It's a good time of year to save money, so if you're interested in getting yourself some fancy lenses and having a bit of fun like I do, you should totally check it out. But apart from that, I hope you're all staying safe, happy and well. I love you all. Thanks for the support. Blah, blah. I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.